The things about the Quran, it's really beautiful. The Prophet himself would describe it as وَهُوَ حَبْلُ اللَّهِ الْمَتِينَ مِنَ السَّمَاءِ إِلَى الْأَرْضِ. It is an extended rope of Allah from the sky to the earth. The Quran is a rope of Allah from the sky to the earth. The Quran will say, وَاعْتَصِمُوا بِحَبْلِ اللَّهِ جَمِيعًا. Hold on to Allah's rope altogether. And Allah's rope, as many of the companions commented, is actually the Quran. Hold on to the Quran. I told you before, we've been sent down. There has to be a way that we can go back up. And now we're learning that a rope was given. And this rope, لَا انْفِصَامَ لَهَا. It cannot crack like a chain, that link would be broken. It will not snap. It will remain. And it will remain extended until humanity comes to an end. Generations will come and go, but this rope of Allah, that final rope of Allah that has been given, will never be cut once again. The teachings that were given, the guidance that was given to Musa alayhi salam, to Salih alayhi salam, to Shu'aib alayhi salam, to Nuh alayhi salam, those guidances that they were given, a time came where people forgot them and they were lost. Or people changed them and they couldn't find the truth anymore. But now Allah gave this guidance that will forever remain a means by which people can make their way back to Allah again. And that is the word of Allah, that is the Quran. And that Quran, meaning that final episode of the promise of Allah given to Adam alayhi salam in the beginning of Baqarah, that promise of Allah reaches its climax when Allah says, شهر رمضان الذي أنزل فيه القرآن. The month of Ramadan is the one in which the Quran was sent down. This is the ultimate gift of Allah to all of humanity so they can make their way back to the home that was meant for them because it was given as a gift to their father. So we can make it back all the way to the closeness of Allah again. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. If you enjoyed this video, please do share it with friends and family.